Good morning to all my awesome friends and family. It's the Cozy Corner time, and I'm here sharing what I got for Mother's Day in the Cozy Corner. And I'm so happy to have so many of you stopping by today. I hope you enjoy this post and seeing what I got in the Cozy Corner. These beautiful cups of hydrangeas my daughter-in-law picked up for me at Home Goods for Mother's Day. Are they not beautiful? And the frames also came with the set. Each one had one frame and one cup. So that's why I have a pair of frames and a pair of cups. But are they not beautiful? And then, of course, the beautiful little trim and the flowers and the butterfly. And as you notice, the trim on the picture frame is exactly the same, and the butterfly color is different, but they have butterflies too. Everybody knows Grandma loves butterflies. And I love floral pieces too. And as you can also see, there's a beautiful little vase in the center between the two cups, and it has the same flower on it. But believe it or not, that was bought like 25 years ago by me, and I also have plates that match. So I can set up a nice tablescape for two on my table this coming week with these same cups because I have plates that match that vase. And don't they match those cups perfectly? Oh, I do think so. I can't wait to share with you all the beautiful things that I can put with this and reuse and reuse. These cups that my daughter-in-law got for me and my son paid for. Thank you, son. I appreciate it so. Didn't it make a beautiful display in the cozy corner? Oh, I do love it. And of course, the beautiful flowers you see in the background, my friend at work gave me. And I've already done a couple posts with those. You know, Grandma loves to repurpose. And the great thing about flowers is as time goes on, even when they're cut, they change their shape, and these are now opening. And each time I photograph them, it's a little different than the photographs before. Oh, I am enjoying this so much, all these beautiful things that I got. And these are some artificial food I have. And here is my Mackenzie Child's teapot that I got last month. Isn't it beautiful? And it's going so well with those beautiful flowers. Oh, I don't know what to say about them. And of course, I didn't really change much of all. I have my Mackenzie Child butterfly over in the corner if you still can see it. And all these beautiful florals that you see all in the background have been in the cozy corner probably about 6 weeks, maybe 2 months. I've done a lot of posts and I haven't changed much at all. The only thing I changed about the background and the flowers is I moved that beautiful butterfly wreath I have from the side to right in the center, and it's still in the center. And I just wanted to share with you all the beautiful things that I've found. Now this sugar bowl and this creamer I've had for about 25 years with the roses. And maybe I'm going to have to get another set that's just white, for it will go with everything that I have. But they are beautiful, and they are great for my English teas because they're such beautiful pieces. Well, let me know what you think about everything in this cozy corner. And you know, Grandma, you're going to see a lot of stuff repurposed and repurposed because Grandma doesn't have a lot of money, but she's trying to get as many posts up as she can and reuse all her beautiful things as much as she can. There's that butterfly again, my Mackenzie butterfly. Oh, I love it so. But I just wanted to share with you that you can reuse and repurpose as many things as you can and just lay them out a little different. Only thing I did different on this was the cups and the picture frames, and I brought in a few of my artificial pastries that I already had. Everything else has been in here for quite some time, and I really love it all. And you can do a lot without spending a lot of money, just by checking and shopping your home. Shopping your home should be where you always start, because you'll be amazed and surprised what you have and own already. Like me, I have items here that I've had for 20, 25 years. The saucers those cups are setting on are at least 20, 25 years old also. And those go to the set of dishes that I use every day, and they have florals on them too. You'll find out with Grandma if you watch this channel long enough. She's really into florals, and I have a lot of pieces that have floral patterns on them. And some of them are different, but they still go together. Look at that beautiful Mackenzie child. Doesn't all the florals on that go so well with the cups? It picks up the blues, and it even goes with the flowers above it, picking up the oranges from the teapot. Oh, I love it. And of course, I have a garden theme in my cozy corner. Matches the teapot perfectly. What do you think? Give me a comment. Let me know what you think about how I mixed all the florals together and all the colors. And the great thing about those beautiful flowers my friend at work gave me, I don't have any orange flowers on the cozy corner right now. So those orange flowers pop right out of the cozy corner because they're different colors. So don't be afraid to mix and match your colors also. A little extra color always seems to help, I think. Well, let me know what you think. I loved having you all here today. Please, if you enjoyed this, please give me a thumbs up. I always appreciate hearing from you all, and I love hearing your opinions, maybe how I could have made it better or you liked it just the way it was. And you know Grandma's always trying to get better at what she does. Please, 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 if you are not already part of the family, please consider it and joining us. We would love to have you be a part. And also, please give me a thumbs up if you enjoyed this post. We always like to know if we're doing things the way you want to see them. We want to see if we need to improve something more. I'm trying to go back to what I love to do the most, because if I love it, I think I'll do a better job filming it and talking about it. And gardening and fairies are one of my passions, and that's why you're going to see more of it in my future videos. I do other things. I do a post once a month now with Mackenzie Child, or more, depends on what I come up with. But to share these beautiful things that I'm picking up. And I also do garden post and garden fairy gardens, and I hope you come and check out my fairy gardens. June, we're going to do 30 fairy gardens for June. We'd love to have you come and check them out. And we're going to be doing a fairy garden challenge the first Friday of June. We'd love to have you join in on that too. Hugs and kisses from Grandma Sandy. Hope you enjoyed this video to the very end. Hugs and kisses for all of you that did. Always appreciate all my awesome friends, because without you, I could not build my channel. I could not keep going if I didn't get all those wonderful comments you leave me. You know, one of the biggest pleasures I get out of my channel is hearing from you and knowing that you are enjoying what I'm putting up. I'm always surprised when someone tells me how much they love something. I even had someone recently ask me if I could come over and help them do a tablescape. I thought that was odd because I don't think I do that great of elaborate tablescapes, but I guess I forget some people just want a beautiful, simple tablescape for two. That's all me and Grandpa are. Just tablescapes for two, and I always try to put a nice centerpiece in the center. And maybe that's what she liked. It wasn't overcrowded, and I always try to do a nice centerpiece. As you can see, I love a beautiful cozy corner display also. And I have a small house, and someone left me a comment asking me how I came up with a cozy corner. Well, I have a tiny house, and this is a little corner of my kitchen that I can fix up very sweet and very nice without taking up too much space. Well, bye-bye for now, my awesome friends. Hugs and kisses second time around if you made it this far. I really appreciate all the wonderful comments and all the support that I have gotten from all of you this last 7 years. Yes, 7 years I've been doing my channel. Well, take care, my awesome friends. If you'd like to watch a little more of a slideshow, just stay there.